For me, I don't care about opponent team because I think most important thing is our mentality and confidence, ourselves in the pitch.
Selamat malam, selamat datang di sesi Presscon dari Raja Solo Putra PSM Makassar yang akan berlangsung besok di Stadion Solo.
Selamat malam. We have one day more to prepare the game than the opponent team, and also for us it's new because last matches we always have less days than opponent teams. We have many players injured. We try to recover these players. It's not easy. Opponent team is strong, have many quality on local players and foreign players. They are making a good job. So tomorrow is going to be a difficult match. I hope that can be a good game. And I hope that we can make a good result here. It's not easy to play on home of Solo. It's not too much teams that catch points here. So if we want to catch points, if we want to win, we need to make a very good performance tomorrow.
Selamat malam. And about my score, for me, I don't care about my score because most important thing is get 3 points tomorrow. So I know opponent team is strong, especially home game, but for me, I don't care about opponent team because I think most important thing is our mentality and confidence, ourselves in the pitch. So I hope we able to get 3 points tomorrow, and I also try to help the team tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Coach, PSM punya urusan namanya Nathaniel Lam baru saja terpusat di Thailand. Menurut Coach, apakah ada pemain PSM berikutnya yang akan main di luar negeri, terutama melihat Jakob Sayuri yang sangat baik di Galasia? Yang kedua, menurut Coach, perkembangan Sarana setelah lulus dari PSM dan tim Persis tetap mencetak gol terus menerus seperti apa?
I am coach of PSM Makassar. I'm here to speak about the game for tomorrow. Tomorrow we expect a strong match, difficult match, about players from our squad that can play outside. Everybody can play outside. What you want I answer. This is not depend on me. I wish the best for my players, and what I wish for them is that they have good health. I can help them to develop, not just as individual, but also as a team. And tomorrow we're going to try to do our best, because just if we make our best, we can have chances against Solo because they are very strong at home and have good quality players, local and foreign players. About our question, I don't have any answer to you. I just can. We are on press conference about the match for tomorrow. I just can speak about this. Okay, terima kasih. About Sananta, was a former player from PSM Makassar. Was a guy that came on trial. We bet on him. He developed with us. He helped the team to be champion last season. Now he's in opposite side. I wish very luck for his career, but tomorrow no, I don't wish luck for tomorrow. But Sanant is a good player. Unfortunately, we lose him, but the life goes on. We have another players that try to develop, and Sananta now is on Solo, so I cannot speak about Solo. I just need to speak in PSM Makassar, in our players, and wish that Sananta and the players that already pass in our squad, I wish all the best, but not for tomorrow. Tomorrow I wish for PSM Makassar players that are present on PSM Makassar.
That also ask some question. In the last press call, Persis said Sanata, so I guess he will be starting tomorrow. And in the press conference, he said that he's motivated more to score because he had a good run. He scored against Bali United, and then he wants to motivate more because tomorrow will face PSM Makassar. Do you have any special strategy to prevent him to score because you know him very well?
Sanata now is in the opposite side. I am not Persis solo coach, I am PSM Makassar. So I wish that if he score one goal, if we can score 2 or 3, it's okay, no problem. Okay?
Last question, terima kasih. Sampai ketemu besok di pertandingan. Selamat sore, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.